Yeah. Just like that, we got some Chiba Hut. So yeah, if you're ever in the Longmont area, pop in Chiba Hut there. It's 9th Avenue and Main Street. Tell them Instructor Cory sent you. Maybe they'll hook you up with a little discount or munchie or something like that. Trying to work out a deal with the GM Reyes to, you know, help each other out, promote the business and promote the brand, and you know, a little give and take. So yeah, pop in, let them know Instructor Cory told you this is the good spot. One of my favorite things that I order from there is the guillotine. It's on a secret stash, kind of hidden item, only at select locations, but if you request it, then they'll make it for you. But it's called the guillotine, Guillotine, guillotine. Like the old chop the head, guillotine, jiu-jitsu choke. But yeah, guillotine, you can get a 12-inch guillotine on garlic. It's really good. But their whole menu is pretty dope, so encourage you to try out a bunch of different stuff. Find the one you dig. And now we're back out on the road again. We already got gas in Instructor Val's bike here. Good old Sleepner. Now we got some grub loaded in the backpack. Notice I don't have anything here interfering with my handlebars or controls. I can just load it in the backpack and then have my hands free to safely operate the machine and not worry about kind of holding on to anything or juggling stuff around. It's a really good idea. Got enough stuff to watch out for, like these left turning vehicles up ahead. All these cars. What is it? Today's like a Friday, I think. Friday around noon, Longmont, pretty busy, lots of traffic going on, so definitely have your head and eyes up, looking, paying attention, checking your mirrors, checking your blind spots, checking ahead, having a plan in place. Set yourself up for success. So we're gonna make one last stop before we head back and actually sit down and grub, and that's gonna be at this little grocery store up here. It's called Natural Grocers. It's kind of like a health food store. Really super high price, overpriced shit, but a lot of organic stuff, veggies and this and that, and it's kind of health food products that you can't find at like King Soopers or somewhere like that. So I'm gonna pop in there real quick and grab a little extra something to go with the sandwiches here. And the good news is it's right up here in this next shopping center. For those of you old school Longmont heads, this shopping center used to have the Showtime video right up in here, where you could go in there. It was like a Blockbuster, but Showtime. But you could go in there and rent some video games and movies and stuff. Good old Showtime. Just notice how I position myself way over here on the line so that these cars turning, I can see past them. I have all the vision I need to be able to keep myself safe and make that turn. Nice and easy. As I'm coming through these parking lots, I'm covering my clutch and brakes. Definitely looking around a whole bunch. Using my eyeballs. People pulling in and out and all over the place. Definitely want to take your time. And nice and easy. Sneak it right through here. It's perfect. If you can find a spot where you're facing out when you leave, it's even better. And you don't have to back out of the space. You can just pull it right forward. Now some of these parking lots have like kind of a one way. You can see how the spaces are angled. It's all kind of one way that way and one way this way. So you have to be on the lookout when you leave, that you're not kind of getting in people's way and stuff, but not a big deal. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it all.